The Amazon Fire TV Cube is the top device when it comes to features and options within the Fire TV lineup, but is it worth it? From a hardware standpoint, this is heads and tails better than Fire TV sticks, and in fact, when you look deep into the specs, this is one of the only versions of Fire TVs that appears ready for 8K television. Although that's not something that is streaming anywhere at the moment, it is something that is coming, and this would be potentially ready for that. It also has Wi-Fi 6E support, which means it's ready for the bandwidth needed for streaming and gaming at those levels. Plus, when you look at the processor, it's really 2 times as powerful as the best Fire TV stick, the 4K Max. So things are smooth and you're going to be able to do more with this going forward. The design has been improved to a point where the voice assistant hears you if you want it to hear you. And this Fire TV Cube looks really nice. The previous generation was just a little too shiny for my liking. This design really improves on that. And when you look at the software on Fire TV, it's probably the most user-friendly system. Setup's incredibly easy, and the interface for finding apps or your favorite movies or shows is really easy. Amazon will recommend shows to you and will even show you what you've recently watched. But you can do searches using their voice assistant and the remote you get with this. There's other little features like the ability to look at your smart home cameras, plus there's all kinds of automation options in their application. So this is something that you can coordinate with the rest of your smart home. This is definitely my favorite TV product, and I am definitely recommending this over all of the Fire TV sticks and even going into the Fire televisions themselves.